This kit covers common automotive and marine wire sizes from heavy power leads down to fine signal wiring, so you rarely find yourself missing the right connector. The integrated low-temperature solder ring and heat shrink tubing create a solid mechanical bond and a clean, insulated joint in a single heating step. Once shrunk, the adhesive-lined sleeve forms a moisture-resistant seal that holds up well in damp bilges, engine bays, and other harsh outdoor environments. Installation is straightforward even for hobbyists, since you only need to strip the conductors, overlap them in the sleeve, and apply steady heat until the solder flows and the tubing tightens. The organized assortment box keeps the different gauges separated and clearly visible, which speeds up repairs and reduces the chance of grabbing the wrong size on the job. Compared with crimp-only connectors, these solder seal joints tend to be more consistent and less dependent on hand strength or special tools, making them well suited for field repairs and cramped spaces.